In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a meeting on Cisco Webex Teams. If you need to launch a quick, on-the-spot meeting, Webex makes it simple. You can use either the Webex desktop app or the Webex web interface in your browser. Both work the same way for this. Before you begin, make sure your internet connection is stable and your microphone and camera are connected so you don't waste time troubleshooting after the meeting starts. Begin by opening the Webex app or navigating to the Webex site in your browser. Once you're in, look for the option to start a meeting right away. Depending on your version or layout, you'll typically see a button labeled Meet or Start Meeting on the home screen. If it's not immediately visible, check the Meetings tab. The Quick Start button usually lives there. The label can vary slightly. Sometimes you'll see Start an Instant Meeting, but the function is the same. It launches a meeting immediately without any scheduling. Click Start Meeting. Webex will open your meeting window right away. You'll land in your meeting room with your controls visible along the bottom or top of the screen. Here, you can see options to mute or unmute your microphone, turn your camera on or off, and select your audio and video devices if needed. Taking a second to confirm your audio source and camera is helpful, so everyone can hear and see you clearly. This is also a good moment to position your camera and check your lighting, especially if you're presenting. Now that your meeting is live, invite others to join by sharing the meeting link. In the meeting window, look for the link provided for participants. You can copy it directly from the meeting details or the info panel within the meeting. Once copied, paste that link into your preferred chat tool or an email. Keep your message clear and concise so people know it's a live meeting and can join immediately. For example, include a short note such as, "Join this Webex meeting now," then paste the link. If your team uses a group chat or channel, posting it there can help everyone see it at once. That's all it takes. Open Webex, find the Start Meeting option, click to launch your instant meeting, and invite participants by sharing the link. With these steps, you can get people together quickly and keep your workflow moving without the overhead of scheduling.